Hi, I'm Dave Schlosser, and I'm the lead engineer here at James Engineering. One of the fantastic advantages we have here at James Engineering is because we have our own design team, we can work closely with the customer and make sure that what they're wanting us to make meets their actual needs. Many times we receive drawings from a customer that turn out to be over-defined. We work closely with the customer to make sure that we eliminate the over-definition of parts, and a lot of times that can make you actually make the part extremely cheaper or less expensive for you to manufacture, or for us to manufacture for you, and give you a better product at a lesser price. We can design, model, engineer, and manufacture the part from basically nothing, or we can take your design and drawings, models, and prints and create the part for you.